Cleaning of water. Water is the basic necessity of every living creature. Mainly human beings can't survive without water for more than 2 days. Water is very important for our body and our use. The water we consume needs to be clean to keep us healthy. Clean water that is fit for use is unfortunately not available to all. It has been reported that more than 1 billion of our fellow human beings have no access to safe drinking water. This accounts for a large number of water-related diseases and causes death. Women walk for several kilometers to collect clean water in villages. There has been scarcity of fresh water due to population growth, pollution, industrial development, mismanagement, and other factors. Realizing the urgency of the situation on the World Water Day on 22nd March 2005, the General Assembly of the United Nations proclaimed the period 2005 to 2015 as the International Decade for Action on Water for Life. All efforts made during this decade aim to reduce by half the number of people who do not have access to safe drinking water. Cleaning of water is a process of removing pollutants before it enters a water body or is reused. This process of wastewater treatment is commonly known as sewage treatment. It takes place in several stages.